exploring the meaning of protostar in English. Welcome to our English language learning video. In this lesson, we will delve into the meaning of the word protostar. You may have encountered this term in the context of astronomy or science fiction, but what does it really mean in English? We're here to break it down for you, so let's get started. A protostar is the early stage of a star's formation. This term is often used in astronomy to describe a young, developing star before it reaches the main sequence phase. In English, proto is a prefix that means first or early, and star is, of course, a celestial object that emits light and heat. So, a protostar is essentially a young, early-stage star. To understand protostar better, it's important to grasp the basic life cycle of a star. Stars begin as clouds of gas and dust in space. Gravity causes these materials to clump together, forming a dense core, the protostar. As the protostar continues to accumulate more matter, it heats up and eventually begins nuclear fusion, which is the process of turning hydrogen into helium. This marks the star's entry into the main sequence phase. The prefix proto is a common one in the English language and is often used to refer to something that is in its earliest or initial stage of development. For example, you may have heard of terms like prototype, prototypical, or protozoa. In all these cases, proto indicates something that is fundamental, original, or primitive. Let's look at a few example sentences to understand how protostar can be used in context. 1. A protostar is born when a massive cloud of gas and dust starts collapsing under the force of gravity. 2. Astronomers study protostars to learn more about the early stages of star formation. 3. In science fiction, the protagonist's spaceship encountered a protostar on its journey through the galaxy. We hope this video has helped you gain a clear understanding of the term protostar in English. Remember, it's not just a concept in astronomy. The prefix proto can be a valuable addition to your English vocabulary, allowing you to express early or foundational stages of anything. If you have any questions or need further clarification, please feel free to ask. Happy learning!